reckless. I got a feeling my time isn't gonna last. What if I tried to push through my past? But I don't even know if I ever fall. Will they even notice? Never cared for haunted by love. I just wanna be alone. This world lost control. There's no more hope left. We're stuck in the unknown. It's the only thing I know. If I ever fall, will they even notice? Never cared for